All right, there you go. Everything's been sealant caulked to the T111 and to the building on down either side. I also smeared it on the raw edge of the of this T111 here. Everything's gonna get painted in here. Again, this is either gonna get pulled off of this and applied in the same spot to the new sheathing, you know, because this sheathing here was all bungled up and we had to put flashing around just to get us through the winter. Yes, I know. And so either way, we will take what we learned here to the next. For now, you can come out, pop this open, and lo and behold, they've figured it out. These are our porcelain eggs that kind of help them to know where eggs should be and shouldn't be laid. And we get some greenies and some browns. I did run into a conflict with the stud layout. I thought it was a 2-foot center. I don't know what, something about a shed just sticks in my mind, being lightly framed, that the stud layout's always 2 foot on center, but it's a 16-inch on center framing. So the center box ended up with a hole in the middle, and I just had to scoot these to either side to avoid the stud that's right there on the inside. Hi, kids. But I'm pleased overall, and they seem to be able to figure it out. And if we go inside, I don't know if you can see with the low light just exactly what I mean. But, you know, there they are over there, and we just had to avoid, we just had to avoid that stud, so. Are you already going to bed in here? Anyway, we'll give them a couple days to figure it out. I also sort of just threw something in the corners and other little nooks and crannies around here on the floor, because it's something about a little alcove makes them feel like they want to lay eggs in it. So if you can keep them out of anywhere else, that makes a comfy nook for a few days. And once everybody lays an egg or two in that, you know, preferred location, they'll kind of stick to it. They're generally, that's what you get for hundreds and maybe even thousands of years of domestication. Isn't that right? What do you think? I got something for you to eat? All right, signing off from Chickie Land. We'll see you.